If you enjoy drawing cats as much as I do, you're going to love these 4 doodles. So get yourself a pencil, a pen and an eraser. We're going to start off in pencil, just drawing 2 different oval shapes. So here's one oval shape. Remember, this doesn't have to be perfect. These are just super simple. These are only doodles. They're not, fully fledged drawings. Now we're going to be drawing another oval shape, but it's slightly tilted to the left-hand side and it's going to cross over this first one. So this one's going to be slightly bigger. So I'm going to go all the way down, just like so. Okay, I'm going to start off with the ear in pen now. You can carry on in pencil if you like, but I'm just going to switch to pen so that you can see it easier on camera. And then I'm going to follow this oval shape round to here, and then there's a slight dip. Then I'm going to carry on following the oval shape all the way around, just slightly lower than where this oval shape hit that oval shape. Now I'm going to carry on with the head. So from up here, we're going to bring it round, just slightly curved. That's going to be the nose. And then it comes inwards, just like that. We're going to add the other ear, just poking out from behind here and round. Now we're going to carry on with the body. So from here, just below the mouth, we're going to be drawing a line that follows this oval shape that we did before. So follow it all the way around until you get to the bottom. At the bottom, we're just going to follow it along just a little bit more flat than the oval shape. Then the tail's going to come up and curve round. Draw the other side of the tail as it comes inwards. Brilliant. Now, coming out of the top of this tail, there's a curved line. We're going to add the eyes, so just two ovals. You can choose to leave a little gap white, or you can colour it all in like that. Now we're going to finish off with the leg, so just a straight line coming down here, and then the little foot poking out from underneath there. And that's the first one done. Okay, so I've erased all the pencil markings on this one, and now we're going to start the next one. This is going to be a cute cat just looking upwards. So I'm going to start off with a circle for the head. So just a nice circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, remember. I'm going to follow that with the ear. So just a triangular shape just coming out from the left-hand side. Just like that. Now we're going to be drawing an oval shape, just touching the circle, but underneath. So just a rough oval shape. Just like this. There we go. See, mine's super messy. Now we're going to be doing another oval shape that's slightly tilted off to the right-hand side. I'll show you what I mean. This one's going to overlap that one. Remember, if I go too quickly, just hit pause and rewind. There we go. Just take this at your own pace. That's the beauty of doing these videos, is that you can just stop at any point. There we go. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to start off with the little nose. So bump in the head and then the ear, just like that. And then just draw the lower half of the mouth and the chin. Then we're going to be drawing the eye. Nice big eye just there. Then we're going to carry on. So we're going to join this circle shape with this oval shape. So just draw a curved line coming down. I'm going to go round this oval shape that we did before. And then instead of joining this oval shape, we're going to go straight down. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to draw the little paw. And then this leg's going to go upwards and just crosses that oval shape, just like so. We're now going to do the back of the head and the neck. So I'm going to join up this circle shape to this oval shape, go around it and then join it up to this larger oval shape, all the way around till we get to the bottom. Now we're going to add the tail. So just a nice long tail. And bring it back round. Now for the foot. Little paw on the end, just like that. We're going to draw the rest of the leg, just curving round by following that oval shape up. It hits that leg and goes round to the left. And that's the second one done. One oval shape here, and then another oval shape just on this right hand side, just here, a bit smaller than that one that we did on the left hand side. There we go. So following this oval shape, we're going to start off with the back. So it comes all the way down and then joins up these two oval shapes just like this. And then just here, we're going to be adding in the ear, just like that, and then the head. And then the front leg comes down. Now the back of the front leg. And the ball. Then the other front leg, just peeping out from behind this one. Comes up and then joins up here. I'm going to need the eye, just like so. Now for the back leg, just starting here, we're going to follow this oval shape round. Then we're going to go downwards, just like that. We're going to draw the side of the front leg, just coming, sorry, the back leg, beg your pardon. Just coming down like that. This one's going to be at an angle. So it comes down like so, and then the little ball at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to join these two up. There we go. Now for the tail. Nice curved tail. Okay, and last but not least, the back leg. There we go. And last but not least, our stretching cat. So we're going to have a nice big oval just here. There we go. Then attached to that oval, we're going to have a sort of banana shape. So I'll show you what I mean. Just coming out from the left-hand side of the oval. It's going to be a shape like this. And then attached to this shape, we're going to add another oval, just here, much smaller this time. This is going to be the head. There we go. And then a tiny little triangle for the ear, just there. So moving on to pen, we're going to start off with the back. I'm just going to follow these shapes that we did before, all the way around, all the way around, all the way around to the ear. Going to go upwards for the ear and come down. Now we're going to draw the tail. So just coming further out than the oval shape that we did before. Just going to draw a tail. This one's going to have a little bit of a fluffy tail, so I'm just going to draw just a couple of lines just to show that. And we're going to come back in until it hits the oval shape just there. Okay, so we're going to carry on following this oval shape all the way down. And then we're going to draw the leg and then the paw on the end, just like this. And then the leg comes up to join the tummy. It's the underside of the tummy just here. We're going to follow that line, the preparatory line that we did before, all the way around. Then we're going to carry it on all the way along here. And then we're going to go and finish the face. So just going to add the little nose, just like this. There's a the little eye, and then the other ear poking out from behind. Then I'm going to finish it off just by finishing off this leg. Just like so. And here are our 4 cat doodles. I really hope you enjoyed drawing them as much as I did. And if you did, feel free to hit like and subscribe. And here's another video that you're absolutely gonna love.